Do you have questions about returning our chip tuning devices? We'll explain everything simply and transparently. With Racext, returning a chip tuning device is easy, fast, and hassle-free. You have 30 days from the day you receive your chip tuning device to decide whether to keep it or return it. Don't worry about shipping times. The return period starts from the moment the product arrives at your door. Do you need to provide a reason for the return? Absolutely not. If the chip tuning device doesn't meet your expectations or doesn't work as desired, we will refund 100% of the amount you paid. No explanations required, no complications. What if the chip tuning device doesn't work on your vehicle? We know technology isn't always perfect. If, for any reason, the chip tuning device isn't compatible or doesn't deliver the results you expected, you can easily return it within 30 days for a full refund. Can you return the chip tuning device even if you just wanted to try it? Absolutely. We offer a 30-day trial period with no obligation. If you decide the product isn't right for you, you can simply return it. What condition does the product need to be in to qualify for a return? The chip tuning device must be returned in its original condition with all accessories and packaging intact. Light use is acceptable, especially if necessary to test the device. How can you start the return process? Just contact our customer service team, provide your order number, and we will guide you step by step through the return process. It's simple and quick. When will you receive your refund? Once we receive the returned chip tuning device, we will process your refund within 5 business days. The refund will be issued to your original payment method. Are there any hidden fees or restocking charges? Absolutely not. We offer full refunds with no hidden costs or additional fees. Who guarantees that you'll get your refund? In addition to our own guarantee, we offer payment via PayPal, which provides full buyer protection. With PayPal, you're covered by purchase protection, ensuring you receive a refund if any issues arise. With Racext, you have the freedom to try our chip tuning devices risk-free. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any other questions, our team is always here to help.